Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find Coinbase transaction history. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Coinbase wallet and then you just have to log in into your account. Now over here, once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the transactions tab in the bottom. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you just have to scroll down and then you need to select the wallet. After selecting your wallet, you will be landed on this transactions page where you need to press the add crypto to your wallet option. Over here, you will be able to see all of the transactions that you have made previously, and that will look something like this. It will show you on which addresses you have sent which crypto coins. So if you want to filter your transactions, then you will have to click on the filter option in the top right hand corner, and then you can sort your transactions by date, amount, and then you need to press done. This way you will be able to easily view your transactions or your transaction history on Coinbase. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.